Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are talking about an exciting cricket battle between Australia and Bangladesh in the second test match. Cricket fans, get ready because the big test match is happening today at 5:00 a.m., and both teams will be looking to give their very best on the field. Australia will be hoping to continue their strong performance, while Bangladesh will be determined to fight back and make a statement in this important test. Australia have a strong and experienced test side, with quality batting, disciplined bowling, and plenty of experience in pressure situations. Their players will be looking to control the game from the very beginning and put Bangladesh under pressure. But Bangladesh cannot be underestimated. They have talented players who can change the game with both bat and ball. If their top order gets a good start and their bowlers find the right areas, they can certainly make this match very interesting. The big question is, can Bangladesh challenge Australia in the second test, or will Australia dominate once again? We are expecting an exciting contest with plenty of runs, wickets, pressure, and possibly some unforgettable moments. So, cricket fans, stay connected with us for the latest updates, live match information, score updates, and all the important moments from Australia versus Bangladesh. And before you go, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest cricket updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.